G'day everybody. Today we're out here with the field bin and getting ready to, well, we're setting up for harvest. Got a bit of self-sown stuff to harvest, so we'll bring the old field bin in. We'll do a bit of work on that. As you can see, she's not looking real flash. She's been sitting out for a while. A few bits of rusted on it that we're going to weld up today. Get it ready. So what we're doing is we're going to put some tubing between these three bars around here. So I've just marked them up and I'm going to cut them up now, and then Dad's going to weld them in. Then we're going to weld something in there just to join all that back up so it's a little bit better than what it is now. So yeah, and I think Dad's already got the header front out and he's had a look over that. So yeah, I've had to order a part for the header today. Hopefully that'll come in later this afternoon. I'll go and get that. Then we'll be able to pull the header out tomorrow, sort that out, and we might be putting it in the paddock tomorrow if everything goes to plan. So yeah, we'll get into it and yeah, get this field bin sorted out. So what I've done here is squash the ends in a bit on both ends of the tube we're going to put in the middle, so that'll mount up and weld up a bit nicer on the bars on the frame here. So now Dad's going to set the welder up and start welding them on. What I'm doing now is I'm going to drill a hole up through here and put this pin through it. You got a problem where it's loose and it can open up and all the grain can come out. And when it's in the paddock, you can brush up against it and knock it loose. So I put that in there, that'll stop it opening up. So I'll drill a hole and just whack that through now. Like a glove. So what Dad's done here is he's just welded on 2 bits of angle iron there just to give the drawbar a bit more strength and stability. So we've welded up all them tubes there. It's a bit better than what it was before. So that's all the framework done. I think Dad's going to weld on a couple of extra steps on the side. So Dad's just finishing up putting those steps on the field bin. So yeah, what we've got to do, it's a bit hard to see, but just there is where the bleed screw for the fuel filter is for the engine, for the header. Yesterday Dad was trying to bleed it up so he could start and get it out of the shed. You know, I don't know what the hell happened, but snapped off. It's only alloy. And now, yeah, it's just hosing out fuel. So I've ordered a new one in town, and we just got to get that, the rest of that screw out. Hopefully it'll just unwind with a pick or something. And then yeah, I'll shoot into town and grab the new one. Hopefully that's here there today. And then we'll be able to put that in, bleed up the engine, and kick her in the guts and start it up, and hopefully get it out. I don't think that might not be till tomorrow though. But we'll just see how we go. Yeah, once we got it out, we'll oil up the header and everything on it. Grease all the chains and whatnot. We might make a start harvesting. So I'll pick that bleed screw out, and then yeah, I'll probably go into town and get the new one. You beauty. So as you can see, it's just snapped clean off. Don't know how. Probably because it's got that hole through the center and that slit. It's probably very weak. So anyway, I've ordered a new one of those. So I'll take that with me just in case, make sure it matches up, it's the right thing. And then yeah, hopefully we've got the right one. We'll be right to go. Alright, got the new bleed screw, you can see here. And yeah, we're going to chuck that into the fuel filter now. We'll chuck that in. Then I will not break it like that did. Tighten that up. And then I'll bleed it. Oh, I'm not going to bleed it properly, I'm just going to pump the fuel up to that filter. That should be tight enough. Pump the fuel up now. Alright, that's filled that up, so when we crank it over, that'll just have to bleed it through the injectors itself. So when Dad gets back, he'll jump up in the cab, give it a little spray aero start. We'll crank her over and see if it fires up. Hopefully it fires up. We'll drag it out of the shed and grease it, oil all the chains, check all the belts are right. Check everything's working. We'll start everything up so it's all running, and then we should be right to start stripping. It's already pretty warm, so we can just jump into it straight away, hopefully. Alright, so we're ready to start it. Gonna spray some of this stuff in the intake because it's amazing, and then yeah, we'll try and see if it fires. So what Dad's doing at the moment is he's just jumping in the cab, give it a good blowout, because yeah, you know, because it sits for a year usually, you know, rats get in there and whatnot, so blow all the rat shit out and any dust and whatever. We'll give the header a good blow down, yeah, blow any dust off it. Even though we're going to use it, we just do it anyway, just to keep things a bit cleaner, make it a bit easier at the end of the day when we got to blow it all down again. Then we'll fire everything up, check all the chains and valves, make sure everything's tight, and make sure everything's oiled. We'll give it a good oiling, grease any grease nipples, and then yeah, we should be right to start harvesting. What Dad's done now is he's engaged the pressure and everything, so he started everything up. So now we'll just check that everything's working as it should be. now, just oiling all the chains, checking they're all right. Alright, out here at the paddock we're planning on stripping. This is the front. I think Dad said he put a couple of new fingers on here the other day. Oh, here's one. Yeah, this has all been checked out and ready to go. Dad's just coming over in the header now over there. So yeah, we're going to hook the front on and we'll be ready to go. I don't think we're going to do any at the moment, it's just a bit too windy. Yeah, just worried that anything goes wrong. Might start a fire because it's so grassy in this paddock. Don't really want that happening on a windy day. So we'll hook this up and then maybe come out later tonight and start doing that. So yeah, we'll hook this up now and then we'll see how we go. So thanks for watching everybody. The next video you should see be us hopefully stripping this paddock. So I'll catch you in the next one.